This is the secret plan that Clickfunnels doesn't want you to know about. So I just confirmed here with Eric with the support chat. I had asked them, let me show you exactly so you can see what I did. I said, what's the lowest level of Clickfunnels? Is there a $20 a month plan? And this was just all the like, in the meantime, check out these. Then he sent me the different sign up charts and stuff like that. But then he said, hey, technically you are correct though. We do not advertise that $20 account. So I thought that they did do this basically whenever, if you go to try to downgrade from 97 or 297 to like cancel your membership, you'll get greeted with a $20 offer, $20 a month. I want to say it's only like 3 funnels a month though. Super bare bones, super bare bones. But it allows you just to keep your funnels okay, and then you get to use a few of them. And I don't recommend this though, because like I said, it's really not that much at the end of the day. Even at $297 a month, you're paying like 41 cents an hour to have all these different systems working for you. It's only not a good deal is if you don't actually use it, okay? If you don't use it, then obviously you're not getting your money's worth, but for 41 cents an hour, ClickFunnels is one of the best employees that you'll have working for you. Okay, so just that quick little tip, there is a secret $20 a month plan that you can use, but it is hidden and not necessarily publicly advertised.